the way, the kids on TikTok are brilliant. Truly love the youth. I live for the youth. You know, I am the youth. But like, I soak up their trends like they're the leaders of a cult that I desperately want to be in. You know, like I just stand there watching and salivating. Like, I bought the loose jeans, master. What's next? Need the eyeshadow tutorial, master. What now? How do I make my coffee, master? Just really soak it into a level that is unhealthy. I will say one of the things that they do is make fun of older people. They have like a trend where they'll just do something really dumb and they'll be like, if you were born before 1994, you're old. And then that's just all it is. And it's like, well, that's weak. Also, millennials invented cyberbullying. So who are you fucking with? Who are you fucking with? Who do you think you're talking to? Are you joking me? We're the generation that put our diaries on the internet for fun. Do you know how sick, how mentally ill you have to be to put a comment section underneath your innermost hopes and desires? We're fucked up. We're deranged. You do not want to fuck with us. You go with us. Oh, you're old. You're old. Oh, okay. Have you ever been emotionally abused by an AOL away message? Have you ever been emotionally, metaphorically pushed into a locker by a three-way phone call? Have you ever had the breath taken out of your chest when you realized you were left out of a radio shout-out list? No, I don't think so. It was a lawless time. There were no rules. Nobody was monitoring anything. You would just walk into the principal's office and be like, hey, Skater Boy 69 told me to kill myself again. And the principal would just be like, I don't know anything you just said, but what were you wearing? And then cut to a week later, and the principal's eHarmony profile is plastered all over the wall. So, never mind what I was wearing. Why is your age range 18 to 25? Just got lots of gotchas all around in that era. Lots of gotchas, So please, but said, you're old. Oh, really? I've been abused online. You think old is gonna get me going? Old's not even gonna get me started. I'm not even gonna wake up for old. You want me to go nuts? You better come at me with something wild. You better come at me with at least a little, you're a bitch. You're a bitch. You're a dumb bitch, You wanna make it interesting? You're an ugly bitch. You're an ugly, stupid bitch. You wanna make it crazy? You're a dumb slut. Oh, whoa, now we're raising the stakes. Uh-oh. You want me to get out of bed? You want me to get out of bed? Oh, you better come hard. I'm talking, you better come with something that will cut me deep. You better come in with a little, everyone is mad at you. Woo, because that still gets me. That still gets me right here. That hurts. That hurts my heart.